Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the Robinhood. Does Robinhood allow crypto trading? The straightforward answer is yes, Robinhood does allow crypto trading. Robinhood began offering cryptocurrency trading several years ago. You can buy, sell, and hold a selection of popular cryptocurrencies directly through your Robinhood account, alongside your stock and options investments. One of Robinhood's key features for crypto trading is that they advertise zero commission fees for buying and selling cryptocurrency. However, it's important to understand that Robinhood makes money on crypto transactions through a price improvement or a small spread built into the purchase or sale price. This means the price you execute the trade at may be slightly different from the market price. They generally strive to offer competitive prices. Robinhood supports trading for a variety of major and popular coins. This list of supported cryptocurrencies has expanded over time, but typically includes assets like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Dogecoin, Doge, Solana, SOL, and others. The exact selection may vary by location and is subject to change. When you buy crypto on Robinhood, they facilitate the purchase and hold the assets for you. Importantly, Robinhood also offers the ability to transfer certain supported cryptocurrencies in and out of your account to an external crypto wallet, providing users with more control over their assets. They also have a separate product called the Robinhood Wallet, which is a non-custodial wallet for a broader range of crypto transactions. So, for investors who want to manage a portfolio of both traditional stocks and digital assets on one platform with a simple, commission-free structure, Robinhood is an option for crypto trading. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.